part E.4, data validation for problems and categories. In this part, we will do two simple data validations. The first one, we want to make sure each problem a user enters cannot be empty string. Yeah, so that is the simplest validation. Second, each category a user enters cannot be an empty string. Yeah, that's simple. All right, so let's do that. Now, in order to do that, we need to do something extra in each of the servlets. Add a problem servlet and add a category servlet. Now, we want to just change the minimum code. Yeah. All right, so here we add error codes for empty input. Yeah. First, in the add problem servlet, at the location when we need to add a new problem, we do something extra. We check if the problem content string is empty or not. Here, let's do that. P count, that's the problem content, right? Before we insert it into the database table, we check its length equals 0 or not. If it equals 0, then we assign the error code, the EC. Yeah. So here, this EC will represent some error code. Okay, yeah. Just some simple way. Error code for first type. Let us just use the code 1. Yeah. All right, code 1. If not empty, then we do the normal insertion. Yeah. All right. So that's the first one. The second one, you can see we use the same logic. We just modify slightly so we can apply the same way on that add category servlet. Let us do this. This time, C title, the category title, we check if it is empty, but this time we use a different code number 2. Yeah. Otherwise, if it's not empty, then we add it, we insert this new category. Yeah. But for the category, something a little different. Yeah. Later, next time, we also need to check, make sure the category is not duplicated. Now, we will do that in our next video, yeah, but not here, because here we only check if the input is empty or not, yeah, for empty inputs. Yeah. All right, so the next part, we need to display the error messages for these two codes. Code 1, code 2, we need to display different error messages. Yeah. So let's look at this part. Show errors based on error codes. Yeah. In list.jsp, yeah, 2 different locations. Yeah. So we will put these 2 messages, 2 different locations near the data entered. Yeah. The first one, we use the JSTL to do that checking. Yeah. All right, yeah, JSTL. Yeah, we used it before, so here we can use it in a simple way, right? C:\if. Now we check the condition test. Yeah. Dollar curly braces EC equal 1. Yeah. So the first error code matching, yeah. Then we display red error message. Please enter a new question here. Yeah. Just some message, appropriate message. Similarly, for the category version, EC double equal to error code 2, then the message different. Yeah. So here you can see we want to use some simple way to display the error messages. Yeah. Although there are many different ways. Yeah. Here, this is one of the simple ways people can use. Yeah. Next, let us put it in the code project and we do testing and see if it works or not. All right, yeah. So let's go to the project part. Yeah. All right, yeah. Here, so let us get to the. Let me stop. Yeah, close the sample 1 version, and we do it in the sample 2 version. Yeah. All right, this is sample 2 version. The first thing in the add a problem servlet, all right, yeah, in this location, add a problem location, we replace it by this if statement. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. If, yeah, replace this line by, yeah, so error code, yeah, in this way, we can protect, our data input, formatting, yeah. All right, yeah, so this servlet is done, okay, yeah. Then add a category servlet. The second one, this line, yeah, add a category, this line, we replace it by this if statement. All right. Okay. All right, yeah. Then format it. You can use that, Control Shift F. All right, yeah. If you can memorize the command, you just use Control Shift F. All right, all right. So the next step, the list.jsp part. Yeah. So now 2 places we need to insert error messages. Yeah. The first place we want to insert, yeah, here for the problem error message. Yeah. That's the problem part. Yeah. We put it a little above the problem input. Yeah. So this, for problems, we should use this checking code. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Put there. We do formatting later. Yeah. The second one, we use this code. All right. All right. Yeah. Put it right here. All right. Yeah. And let us format them. Yeah. All right. Looks good. Save it. All right. And test it. Ready for testing. So run on server. Yeah, because I need to switch to this project. Yeah. All right, yeah, the display, very simple, right? Here, I just, I do not put anything, just enter. You see the message, right? Please enter a new question here. Okay. Category, we do not put anything, we click it. Yeah. Please enter a new category here, right? It works. Yeah. So that's this little feature implementation. Yeah. So we finish E.4.